Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I've already put my base on my face. I'm a poet and I didn't know it. Because today I'm going to do an eyeshadow tutorial with you. I have no idea what I'm going to do. I'm kind of going to do it just as I go. But my amazing friends got me possibly one of the the best birthday presents I could have asked for, and it was the Jeffree Star Alien Palette. I've seen this in a couple of videos and thought it looks amazing, but a few months ago I went to Birmingham and actually went into the Morphe store, which I've never been into a Morphe store before, and I've never seen like Morphe palettes like in front of my eyes, other than the ones that I've bought, but they've been bought offline, if you get my drift. So I went in there and came across the Jeffree Star Cosmetics palette and the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I completely forgot that he was even that they were brought out with Morphe. But I suppose that wouldn't be a big known thing over in this country. But yeah, so I went in there, found the Alien palette and did a few swatches of it. I'll put them up on the screen now. I can't remember if I've still got them on my phone, but if they are, they're up on the screen now. Bing! By there, I think. And I fell in love with the palette. Even just swatching it, putting my finger in the eyeshadow, you could feel the quality of the eyeshadows. But this is what it looks like. It's a cute little alien. Look at that. Look at those shades. You get a mirror on the other side, but it's what I quite like about this is that you can fold it straight over. I wonder if it'll stand. No, not so much. So yeah, these shades are honestly, they are unreal. If you ever go to Birmingham, I would honestly 100%, like I keep saying honestly man, I would 100% go into the store and just go out and swatch a couple of these shades because they are amazing. I will swatch a couple of them for you now, but I've just remembered I haven't taken my photos of this, so I think I'm going to go off camera and take a few photos, and then I'm going to come back and swatch a couple of these shades for you. Okay, so this is the Jeffree Star palette. Got these cute little aliens, alien face there. So it's got 18 colours in it. Ooh, let's put it on camera. There's 18 shades in there, and there is 11 mattes and 7 shimmers. So I just want to do a couple of swatches first, because some of these shades are amazing. So I'm going to go straight in on Alien. I'm going to go UFO, Area 51, and we'll do one more. We're going to go Martian Soul. So that's what they look like on my fingers. Oh, amazing. Just look at those. They are so friggin' pigmented. So I'm kind of gonna do a look that I'm just gonna kind of like do this as I go along. I haven't really thought much about it. I'm gonna use, I've got a load of Spectrum brushes, and I've got a couple of Morphe brushes and masks as well. But I did also buy 2 new brushes when I was in Germany, and it's BH Cosmetics. I've never seen BH Cosmetics like in the flesh, so I think these were like €4 or something like that, which is pretty damn good. But I've got the V9, which it wasn't quite what I was expecting on that one. This is a Studio Pro one, and it's number 6. Focus today. I definitely want to be using the greens. I kind of want to do a really like big, bold, out there look. We're just gonna go straight into it. Enough of me chatting. Okay, you guys, so this, okay, you guys, so this is the finishing look that I got for you. I've got to say, I am loving this palette. The colours in it are just amazing. They're like my perfect shades, and the shimmers in them, the quality of the shades is just so good. They're so soft, and they're quite creamy as well, and they're so pigmented. So I hope you guys do like the look, because I am in love with this look. I just kind of wish that I was going somewhere to kind of show it off. But I managed to use quite a few of the colours out of here. I think I've used, all in all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, well, okay, maybe I didn't use a whole lot. Yeah, so I used about 7 of the colours in there. And I'm already looking forward to doing another tutorial using some of the other shades. So this is 100%, I would say, thumbs up and go out and buy this palette, because it is so worth it. I know that I think it can be quite hard to get, because I'm pretty sure you can't get it on the Morphe store online anymore, but I know full well that you can get it from the Morphe store in Birmingham, so that's for anybody that's in the UK. So I finished this look off using my doll lashes that are from Doll Beauty. As you can see, they're real like fluttery, but I bought 2 packs of them about a month or so ago, and I finally used these ones the other night when I was on a night out, and I love them. They feel so lightweight on my lashes that I don't even know that I've got them on, and the quality of them is really good as well. I know that you can get these from Topshop in the UK, but this past week, I think it is, you can now get them on Boots, and they are available from boots.com. I don't think they're in stores till maybe September, October time, but yeah, you can get the lashes on boots.com. I also then finished my lashes off with my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara because it's my ultimate favourite. And then my lips is this shade by Loreal, and it's called Iron Power. I've been wanting this shade for a while actually, so and it's really creamy. I wasn't that sure about it, but now it's matted down. I actually quite like it, and I think it goes with the look quite good as well. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also remember to comment down below if you've got any thoughts, if you have this palette, what your thoughts are of this palette, and even what your thoughts are of the look, because I really do hope that you enjoyed it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I upload every Sunday and every Wednesday. Also, bing, head over to my Instagram page and also head over to my Twitter page. And until next time, take care.